welcome back to Romanovich Auto Surgeon. And as you guys can tell by the title of the video, today is another epic day. We're actually almost like an hour away from our actual destination. We are headed to pick up a present for our father. He doesn't even know that we played this vehicle, and it's going to be very excited to film his reaction. It's going to be really awesome. He's going to be already home. We're going to bring it by, maybe put a bow on it, but we're already reaching, just drove into Jacksonville, Florida, and already seeing some palm trees. Sucks we can't stay to hang around, you know, go to the beach or whatever, but hopefully this thing's up and running. It looks pretty much mint, only hit in the back, very minor damage, but obviously we're going to show you more when we get there. Let's go ahead and hit that time lapse and get to our destination. Not a full walk around because we want to get out of here. It's about another 7 hours. You head back all the way, so we'll catch you guys in a minute. Here we go. It's coming. No, just. Alright, here we go, guys. This is all the damage. Light hit in the back. Just the tailgate, bed. Everything else looks in great condition. It's looking sweet. Front, yeah, we're missing a little piece over here for the cover, but that's no big deal. I think she'll run. Yeah. Oh yeah, thinking you were good here. Gonna take some parts off that aren't unneeded and get on the road. Oh yeah, let's go. Getting ready to head out. So we just picked up the vehicle. Now we're heading back. Just wanted to get back in the road because it's such a long drive. It's about 7 hours from our place all the way to here. So we are heading back. That's already a 14-hour drive. So exhausted, tired, but we're gonna push through. Hopefully make it home soon to reveal this to our father. Alright guys, so we just stopped at a gas station. This is probably going to be our last stop. We're pretty much home. We've got about 2.5 hours to go. Very excited to bring this thing home. We've got very minor damage, so it'll be back on the road very fast before you know it, but I'm gonna give you a proper walk around back at the house. I'm just super tired, want to get back home. You know, 14 hours in the road is a lot of road you got to cover, so catch you guys really soon back at the house.
Що за кульок?
Сусіди, які були у вас, передали вам.
Казали передати вам.
Знали, що ми тут поселились на время.
Сусіди мої?
Відкривайте.
Да?
Які до сусіди мої?
Які продали свої
Запчастини?
землі.
Так, ти що? А що я маю при вас відкривати?
Та ми хочемо бачити, що там є.
А може то не може?
Ви, знаєш,
Може,
наш
щось
не
передали?
селяш?
А може то передали щось? Мені... Ну, Макс, ну свої подарки від ходи сусідам показуй.
Та хочемо, ми ж сім'я.
Не знаю. О,
А.
як можна без них?
Тому так сиділа, то жда. Опа. Рандеву.
Я.
Тут дивиться свою машину Феррарі, чуєш?
А це що таке?
Не знаю, що там є.
Жук заліз.
Що заключив?
Вау, не поняла.
То Сема вам дам?
Я думаю.
Повинно свої грошики там.
Пошли провіряти, що
Він
він
ж
криє.
клацає, ви може поклацайте. Сема, де він ключки ці взяв?
А що це таке? Я бачу той кучерявий з отим пацаном, то я не знаю, що я маю тоді, як я її маю носити на руках. Ти подивись, всюди купили.
Давай, лежи.
Вау! Та то завал, та вони навіть ніхто не признався нічого. Тина! Дивись, главний боксер мій.
Давай, де ключі? Може бути тої машини?
Та я переживаю.
О, май.
Ого!
Пащить!
Віжіть! Мати рідна. А де тут? Дивись, Віта, то ти партизан все знала. Не можу дати, мені не казали, не можу давати. Вау!
Come here, Sammy. Come here. Come here.
Дід провірить перше.
Ходи сюди.
Сідай на крісло отамон, отам. Залазь туди.
Сюпай тамка.
Вообще, вони мене купили, ті парні.
Самі. Все мої.
А може я не маю права тут сидіти?
Тоді, значить, не заведеться. Якщо заведеться, то так що маєте.
Так. Я вообще не маю слів.
Окей, it's happy Saturday.
Ого! Та то страшне. Та я не маю. Ти бачиш, пацан? Давай зроб.
О, бабушка загрузила.
Баба, грузися! Чекана! Ой,
Ось наступила.
злота! Та вже бери, бо я мушу дякувати. Телефон візьми.
Він вон знімає
Та я
камери
хотів.
всі.
Я хотів.
Сема, не чіпай так.
Та слухай, то таке, як вони показували мені. Віта, то все ти винна ще. Отам коло тебе там чоловік один стоїть. Слухайте, ребята, та то казка. Ну я вас люблю, ви мені такий зробили подарок, що я в житті не знаю, чи то можливо.
Братику, ти маєш Тойоту?
Та то страшне. Але як могли так все, то ще хтось тут задіяний. О! Клас! А тепер дідо буде возив. Вау, то апарат. А тепер. Баба сюди. То презент.
Ні.
Давай, цьом чи що?
Так.
Тобі?
Ну.
Перше. І хлопан.
Happy Father's Day.
То ви подарок мені зробили. Вау, то я не уявляю навіть.
Прямо з Флориди.
З Флориди, так?
Да.
Там, де моя була.
Я.
Так. Та чого? Та чого? Та не тікає.
showed him the reveal. He couldn't believe it. We had showed him that one before, and he just kept saying, you know, I don't know if I want to do a truck, because he's always been in a lower car, I guess like a sedan type of deal. The last one was a coupe, 2013, I believe, Honda Civic. And so this was a big step up for him. We had a truck a long time ago, but that one was just not as reliable as this one. This is a 2019 Toyota Tacoma. It's rear wheel drive. We were wanting to get him a 4x4, so we'll figure something out. We're probably gonna actually maybe play another one, and we'll see. Maybe we can sell that one. But plans for it are pretty big. Going to be doing new rims, aftermarket rims, new tires, aftermarket headlights, step bar for the sides, new tailgate, obviously it needs that, and it's going to be a couple other mods, so stay tuned. This was just a small little video. I didn't want to make it too long. It's just been such a long time driving there and back. It was 7.5 hours with all traffic that way, and then same thing back, which coming back was even longer because there was just like 3 accidents. So I'm just gonna wrap this up right here. Really appreciate you guys all watching and tuning in. You guys are amazing. You guys are all making these videos happen. You guys are awesome. Make sure to smash that subscribe button if you guys are new to this channel. If you guys like this kind of videos, leave me a like and comment down below what kind of upgrades we should do to the Tacoma. Let us know down in the description, and we're gonna check it out. So stay tuned for the next videos, because there are gonna be some sweet builds. I'm just so ecstatic that he loved the truck, and I know he's gonna be using it for a lot of different things, because he loves to work with his hands, different crafting things. So it's gonna be a lot of fun working with him, and I'm sure he's gonna love it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.